Now, NBC7 San Diego News at 11.
Now to a bizarre legal battle. A sperm donor is in the middle of a controversial fight over child support. The state of Kansas wants him to pay child support to the child that he helped a lesbian couple conceive. And as NBC7's Christine Haas discovered, it's something that could happen here in California too.
When William Murata decided to be a sperm donor in 2009, he thought it would be a simple act of kindness to help a lesbian couple conceive a child.
And if you're two women, it's kind of difficult without the men in there, so I donated.
But now Murata is caught up in a child support legal battle, not with the couple, but with the state of Kansas.
No good deed goes unpunished.
The former mechanic found an ad posted on Craigslist offering a sperm donor $50, but he decided along with his wife Kimberly to take no payment. They didn't use a doctor or a clinic.
This is not at all what we signed up for.
Murata says he signed a legal contract with a biological mother, Jennifer Schreiner, and her partner at the time, Angela Bauer, giving up parental rights. The couple then split in 2010, but still care for the child together.
We never intended for him to financially support her. That was our responsibility as her two parents.
Bauer became ill last year, and Schreiner applied for financial assistance with the state and was required to disclose the donor. And because of that, the state of Kansas is now suing Murata for child support, citing a statute that he is legally responsible because he and the couple did not use a licensed physician. And we discovered California has a similar statute.
It could happen here for sure.
John Rosenthal is with the Department of Child Support Services. He says while he's not aware of any sperm donor cases in California, he wouldn't be surprised if one surfaced.
And there really is no typical child support case. But in a case like that, or any case, we would evaluate the individual and unique circumstances of that case. We would apply the law as we see it, and in the end it would go to the courts to make the final decision.
The laws have not caught up to science.
San Diego attorney Myra Fleischer says Murata's story is a sign of the times.
We are still in a very traditional world that maybe was back in the 50s and 60s. We are not in 2013 right now in some of our laws. And our laws have to catch up with science and the way people actually live.
She says donors will run into problems if they don't take precautions. She says it's too easy to take shortcuts that aren't legally protected if they don't go through a licensed physician. And she says a legal agreement releasing parental rights is not enough.
So they start looking around, who is the biological parent who can go and pay me back? State, I want to be paid back. And they look to a biological parent, and they don't care. There is nothing legal protecting the person who's just done this written agreement.
Murata's case is still awaiting appeal and could end up before the Supreme Court. If that happens, the decision could change the way every state deals with child support for sperm donors. Christine Haas, NBC7.